Recording in progress.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I am Diana Pitavini. Today I will present about global issue, war and political potential in Eastern Europe and the Middle East. First, definition of war. War is hostility between two countries, nations, religions, tribes, a major armed battle between two or more forces, soldiers, militias, rebels, a fight, a conflict, and a way of expressing hostility. KBBI 2023. War is conflict between political groups involving hostility with considerable duration and scale. Frankel 2023. Next, cause of war. The Middle East. This conflict arose due to a land dispute in Palestine. This conflict stemmed from the Jewish people's desire to establish a national home in Palestine. Jews view Palestine as the promised land. In this regard, Jews believe that Jerusalem must return of being the capital of the Jewish nation and that the right of the Jewish people who have been oppressed must be restored. Next, Eastern Europe, disintegration and ethnicity. The most brutal conflict was the Yugoslav Wars, a series of brutal and bloody wars in the Balkans after the multinational state broke up along ethnic lines. Struggle of influence. Conflict have occurred between Russia and former Soviet states seeking to join NATO, the European Union. Examples include the Russo-Georgian War, 2008, and most significantly the Russo-Ukrainian conflict, including the 2022 invasion, which was fueled by deep geopolitical tension. Next, present condition. The Middle East. The Middle East region is currently in the highly complex and vulnerable state due to various conflicts involving both local and global actors. The main tensions stem from the Israel-Palestine conflict and the civil wars in Syria and Yemen, which have become proxy wars between regional powers, Iran versus Saudi Arabia, and global powers, the US versus Russia. The dispute between Iran and Israel, involving allied groups, in further exacerbating the humanitarian crisis and threatening security stability throughout the region. Next, Eastern Europe. The current conflict in Eastern Europe is dominated by a full-scale war between Russia and Ukraine, which began with the February 2022 invasion. The fighting has escalated into a deadly war of attrition and artillery fire, particularly in eastern and southern Ukraine. As a center of the struggle for sovereignty and geopolitical influence, Ukraine received significant support from NATO and the European Union, while Russia continues to confront the Western alliance. The war has resulted in a severe humanitarian crisis, massive infrastructure damage, and has made the region a major flashpoint for military tension in Europe. Next, the influence of conflict in Indonesia. First, the impact of the Middle East conflict. One, politically and socially, the Palestine issue has a very strong resonance in Indonesia. The government has consistently rejected normalization with Israel and actively used international forums such as the United Nations and the Organization of Islamic Cooperation to support Palestine independence. The prolonged conflict and military escalation in areas like Gaza have sparked a massive wave of public solidarity and humanitarian aid from Indonesia. 2. From an economic perspective, the Middle East is a vital supplier of crude oil for Indonesia. Therefore, an escalation in regional conflicts, such as those in the Strait of Hormuz or the Red Sea, has the potential to trigger sharp volatility in global oil price, which will directly impact fiscal stability and fuel price in Indonesia. Next, the impact of the Eastern Europe conflict, Russia-Ukraine. 1. The war caused a drastic increase in the price of commodities, and the large wheat imported from Ukraine and Russia. Indonesia experienced significant food inflation in wheat dairy products such as instant noodle. In addition, disruption to global energy supplies due to sanctions against Russia have also increased global oil price, ultimately putting pressure on Indonesia's energy subsidy budget. 2. Geopolitically, Indonesia adheres to the principle of an independent and active foreign policy, striving to maintain neutrality and avoid taking sides, while actively promoting peace efforts and the G20 Forum. Ministry of Foreign Affairs of the Republic of Indonesia, 2022. Next, subject integration. Material. 1. Social Studies, IPS. Understanding world maps the geographical location of countries in conflict and the concept of global trade. Civics. Instilling the values of peace, tolerance, and non-violent conflict resolution. 3. Indonesian. Expressing opinions, discussing, and writing friendship letters and children around the world. Next, learning strategies. 1. Storytelling. Use stories of resilient children of conflict areas, focusing on hope and education, not violence. 2. Circle time. A safe space for students to ask questions about TV news and express their feelings. 3. Role playing. Playing the role of the global market to experience the economic impact, scarcity of goods firsthand. Next, learning products. 1. Peace poster. A visual work with a universal message such as war, peace, everyone happy. Next, friends letter. Write a letter to a world leader or a imaginary friend in another country, wishing them peace. 3. Empathy journal. Simple journal entry. How would I feel if I could go to school today? Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.